The coronavirus versus your commercial real estate lease. Are there any provisions that will provide tenants some relief given the recent pandemic? We're about to find out with countless litigation that's going to unfold in the coming days, weeks, and months ahead, which is unfortunate. But which side has the more compelling argument? We've seen many articles that point to act of God and force majeure provisions, but we honestly don't know how courts are going to rule. Our best guess would be, and it's purely a guess, is that some tenant-friendly states may try to provide some form of relief to tenant, while more business or landlord-friendly states may lean more towards the contract and just not provide any relief unless specifically stated within the contract. Our recommendation, as is the case in most situations, is to try to work things out with all parties involved and be upfront about your specific situation. If a tenant knows that they're going to have trouble paying the rent, they should inform the landlord right away and try to work out a plan. Maybe they can extend the lease by a number of months, or take the months that they would have been paying rent and add that balance to their remaining monthly rental payments. And landlords, we hear you too. You have mortgage payments that you have to make, and they're based on the rent payments that you're supposed to be receiving from tenants. So if you know for sure you're not going to get some of these payments, go ahead and be upfront with your lender and explain the situation to them. Maybe they can charge you interest only for a period of time, or just waive some fees, or work something out with you to allow everyone to transition throughout this process. And tenants and landlords alike will likely not be able to claim a loss of business coverage for a multitude of reasons. Pandemics are often excluded in certain insurance documents, and even if not, they're not considered a covered event within the policy, and so there was no trigger to have the loss of business coverage actually kick in. This is a difficult time for all of us. We think the best thing to do in this situation is for all parties to be upfront with one another so that we can have the best opportunity to find a reasonable solution. Most importantly, please be safe and stay healthy.